India and Bangladesh share more than just a border. They share centuries of intertwined history, culture, and evolving diplomacy. Spanning 4,096 kilometers across India's east, this dynamic relationship has seen highs of friendship and lows of friction. Let's dive into this compelling journey together. Before independence, India and Bangladesh were united under the Bengal region. From Mughal grandeur to British exploitation, Bengal was a jewel and a pressure point. The 1905 partition of Bengal, although reversed, left scars that would later resurface with devastating consequences. 1947 redrew the map and destinies. West Bengal became part of India, while East Bengal joined Pakistan. What was once cultural region became two divided nations, sowing seeds of identity struggles and future conflicts. East Pakistan's language, culture, and rights were suppressed by the distant rulers of West Pakistan. As discontent grew, India became a silent supporter of the Bengali, cause sensing that history was moving toward an inevitable rupture. 1971 marked a watershed moment. Pakistan's brutal Operation Searchlight sparked mass refugee flows into India. India not only sheltered millions but also supported the Mukti Bahini fighters. By December 1971, India's intervention led to Pakistan's surrender and the birth of Bangladesh. India quickly recognized Bangladesh and sealed ties with the 1972 Treaty of Friendship, Cooperation and Peace. Optimism ran high as both nations looked toward building a future of solidarity. But tragedy struck in 1975 with Sheikh Mujib's assassination. Bangladesh's tilt towards Islamic identity and alliance with the US and China cooled relations with India, leading to a complex and often uneasy neighborly relationship. Water, a lifeline, became a source of friction. Disagreements over the Farakka barrage's water flow escalated tensions in the 1970s and 80s, proving that even nature's gift can fuel diplomatic divides. Democracy's return in 1991 opened new doors. Under Sheikh Hasina's leadership and landmark 1996 Ganges Treaty brought hope while regional trade blossomed under CEFTA. A pragmatic partnership began to take shape. The early 2000s brought mixed signals. Relations strained under the BNP's pro-Pakistan tilt, with India accusing Bangladesh of sheltering insurgents. Yet, Sheikh Hasina's return in 2008 brought a fresh opportunity for deeper cooperation. The 2010s truly shone. Major achievements like $1 billion line of credit, the historic land boundary agreement, and maritime settlements created a narrative of mutual trust and progress, once unimaginable decades earlier. Beyond diplomacy, India and Bangladesh deepened humanitarian and economic ties. From aiding Rohingya refugees to enhancing energy and rail links, this was neighborly cooperation at its best. 2020 and 2021 celebrated the deep-rooted friendship. With historic trade volumes and enhanced defense cooperation, the bond appeared stronger than ever, an example for the region and the world. But 2024 shattered the calm. Sheikh Hasina's ouster, rising illegal crossings, and orchestrated anti-Indian campaigns created a volatile new reality. Friend turned critic. Was the golden era ending? New leadership in Dhaka quoted China aggressively, with proactive rhetoric challenging India's regional posture. In geopolitics, alliances changes, but India viewed these maneuvers with growing unease. In April 2025, India took decisive action cancelling Bangladesh's trans-shipping privileges. Official reasons masked deeper discontent. The message was clear: hostility would have consequences. Dhaka's outreach to Islamabad in April 2025 added another layer of complexity. Old wounds resurfaced, and New Delhi now faced a more complicated neighborhood chessboard. 2025 remains a year of volatility but also of opportunity. Diplomatic reset are possible, but India must tread carefully, balancing firmness with strategic outreach to safeguard its eastern frontier and regional interests. History teaches us that friendships are fragile but necessary. India and Bangladesh must remember their shared dreams and resist forces that seek to drive them apart. Cooperation, not confrontation, is the way forward. As neighbors bound by history, culture, and destiny, India and Bangladesh have much to gain or lose. The choices made today will shape the future of South Asia. Are both nations ready to rise together or drift apart? Only time will tell. India and Bangladesh share a bond born of sacrifice, rooted in shared values and strengthened through decades of cooperation. From sheltering millions during the 1971 Liberation War to building infrastructure and resolving complex disputes, India has stood by Bangladesh not just as a neighbor but as a true ally. Yet today, Dhaka finds itself courted by Beijing's economic promises. China offers billions in loans and fleshy projects, but with strategic strings attached. History warns us. Sri Lanka's experience with Hambantota port is a lesson not to be forgotten. Beijing's growing involvement in Bangladesh's domestic politics, including engagement with controversial opposition groups, signals a deeper ambition to tilt the balance of power in South Asia. If Bangladesh is to preserve its sovereignty, it must resist becoming a pawn in geopolitical rivalries. India's friendship is based on trust, respect, and mutual growth. China's embrace, though tempting, risks debt dependency and external interference. At this pivotal moment, Bangladesh must choose wisely: empowerment through balanced diplomacy or entanglement in foreign ambition. The future of its independence, prosperity, and regional stability depends on this choice.